Hello, everyone. My name is Wayne Fowler. I'm from Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm a new collision drumming artist. My stage name is BMW, Beatmaster Wayne. I'm a pocket drummer. I've been a pocket gospel drummer for gospel quartet groups for the last 40 years, so I've been playing the last 40 years. Some of my drumming influences have been on several records, hip-hop, as well as gospel. Maniac MC from Washington, D.C., Public Enemy. They gave me a shout out on It Takes a Nation of Millions to Hold Us Back. Drumming, it's not a job or, or a profession. I live and breathe, drumming. And I'm excited, to get on with Collision because I love drumming and I love the network and the community. Today I'll be doing James Brown, my favorite artist, the Boss remix. We'll see you shortly.